And this is going to really depend on the severity of the virus. So there's many virus removal tools out there, and I'm sure wikiHow has a number of recommendations of tools you can use to get rid of viruses. This would be an application you download, typically for free, and there are commercial ones. You tell it to scan your entire system, and then it'll come back with the things it found and the steps needed to remove those. Sometimes the infection is strictly limited to your web browser like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. You can actually go into the advanced settings of either of those browsers and reset those browser settings to remove any viruses that you may still have specifically targeting the browser. And in the most extreme situations, the viruses are so deeply embedded into your computer, you can actually do a full wipe and reinstall. So that is the old nuke and pave. We're going to just completely obliterate whatever is on your Mac or Windows OS, start fresh, and ensure that any remnants of those viruses are now completely removed, and you'll be safe to get back to work again.